Wagwan people, today I'm going to show you how to do the clock move in breakdancing, parkour and in tricking or any acrobatics you do. So let's get into it. So the clock move is like this. You're sitting on your boom and your legs are straight, alright? And you basically do this and your legs are fully on the floor like this. Ooh. Under the other way. Ooh, cool. And yes, with this move you should not do it on a surface that's not shiny or slippery. Only do it on a surface that's slippery or shiny. So don't do it on concrete, don't do it on grass. Maybe you can do it on maybe astroturf, maybe, but yeah, I would recommend it. Or I don't know what that thing is, you know, that soft thing, I don't know what it's called, but it's like astroturf, but you might know what it is. But yeah, this is what it is. To make it look more cooler, you can actually lift your legs up while your bum is on the ground when doing the clock move. So I'll show you like this. So you do this instead with your legs, with both of your legs off the ground. You do this. Looks cool. Do it the other way. This time let's fly over the legs. Oh, it's fun. Very cool move. Now it's time to show you a real demonstration of how to do this proper hardcore move, right? Let's do it. This is how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed that example and enjoyed this video. Please try it, it's a very good move. Very easy. Make sure not to get injured or hurt when trying these new moves that you've never done before as well. And please subscribe if you want me to do more tutorials on the moves that you've never seen before in parkour, breakdancing and in tricking or any acrobatics, alright? Because I'm very unique, and like the video if you found this video very helpful, you know, on how to do a new move. And please turn on notifications to be updated on when I upload a new long form video or when I upload a new YouTube short on my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my TikTok as well. I do a lot of funny videos involving dancing, parkour and tricking mostly. And yeah, have fun trying this move, and yes, have a good day people.